Hi guys, welcome you all to Netu Gaming and Tech. I mean by this name Gaming and Techniques, and locally I did about phones and technology gadgets and some software updates. But hereby I am bringing gaming episodes, mostly gaming episodes and few technology episodes in the international basis. At Sri Lanka, I'm from Sri Lanka and I did in Sinhala for about 5 videos at a basic level. As that time I increased the I developed so much in YouTube area. So I am hereby wishing to give you a great quality gaming experience with according to your ideas, and more effective videos. Today we are going to do a build up, which I did this medium mid-range build up according to my budget. This one is the final result that I got. So I will go back to the past to see how this build up was going on. So I invite you all to stay with me, subscribe me, like and comment and share this video. Please leave comments on what games, on which areas do you want to cover from me, as I am wishing to cover most of the technological and gaming areas in my YouTube channel. So stay with me for a long period, and I promise you that I am giving you the best experience that I can give you in the best quality. So stay with me and we'll go to the past to see this mid-range build up.